Here we are again. It is cold. It is -2 Celsius. And today I'm going to show you the challenges of an exterior detail in sub-zero weather. It's a little unseasonably cold for Vancouver. Typically we get 1 or 2 or 3 days that are sub-zero, but it's generally mild here. Anyways, I thought I'd outline some of the tools that I need and what you should have equip yourself if you do live in a climate like this. A godsend for me is this bucket warmer. It's 110 volts, plugs in. I think it's 1500 watts, and it'll heat a 5-gallon bucket of water in about 20 minutes. Half full, about 10 minutes. And yeah, keeping your fingers from freezing is probably one of the most important things. It's all about comfort. Being a detailer, you need to dress appropriately for the weather.
In freezing temperatures is probably the only time where you really want to be working in direct sunlight. Direct sunlight is your friend. It warms up the surface of the vehicle and prevents water from freezing on it. Here I'm being very cautious of where I'm walking and stepping, as when the water hits the pavement, it freezes almost instantly, especially in the shady parts. Once the car is rinsed off, we dry it right away. Polishing in the cold is not too much of an issue, as the pad does heat up a bit, and the cold actually prevents the pads from overheating. Here I'm doing a 2-step polish on the hood, trying to keep warm through the day. And here's the finished product. The customer is blown away. There's a little bit of frost in the driveway, but the car looks pristine and brand new. Guys, thanks for tuning in. If you made it this far, bravo. It's not a very long video. I want to do a video 2-3 times a week, trying to increase my viewership and hopefully get monetized. So if you find my channel useful, please hit like and subscribe. I'll be offering lots of tips and tricks and more insight on the business side. I'm 52 years old. I started detailing late in life, and I'm making a killing. And so can you.